Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog. Vlogging in class. Vlog. In class because teachers don't give bleeps. Bleeps.
Oh, look, it's Crystal Meg back there. Where is she left? She left. Wait, what colors do you want to see?
Transition to the next class. I'm gonna edit that so it's like a transition.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hi. That's Crystal Meg.
she's in the vlog now.
Perm it up, watch it all fall out. Sew it up, cause it won't grow out.
And so we're like,
Didn't you hear Kenny say,
no, I didn't.
you said Tyler was coming to the park.
That doesn't mean anything. We're just waiting until your mom leaves, right?
Yeah.
There's a bee. Why do you guys care so much if there's a bee? It's just a bee, gosh, chill. Oh my god. Who is this person looking at? That's Chris's. Oh my god, we were at breakfast at school. I think you were there, and like this boy came under and he was like,
What did he say?
and we were like at breakfast, and this person like hit the table, and they were like, I got you. They gave Angel an orange juice. Were you there? He like rubbed his junk on my arm, like,
Bro, ew, that's nasty.
like I don't want that. Why are you trying to do that?
I'll show this.
Like he came out of nowhere, and then he was like,
Let's go outside.
he came out of nowhere, he was like, he hit the table, and he gave Angel an orange juice.
Does he like her or like?
I
Whoa.
don't know. He's Chris's friend. They see him before.
I'm about to go outside. Wanna die? Okay. Oh, I hate slides. Who?
Was I loud when I said that? Because I don't want to be mean. Sorry for the awkward voiceover this. I'm at school right now. This is also a park montage, so let's get on with the music. My YouTube channel is gonna be right here. Here in black.
I have
It's not horrible if you have friends.
horrible.
At least some of us have friends. Horrible.
You guys are still growing. I will not grow anymore. I'm looking for
This is awkward. Friends. Vlogging with friends. Vlogging with friends. Their name is gonna appear. Everybody stay still.
Can you put my Instagram somewhere?
I'll put it on your forehead.
Put my channel somewhere.
I'll put it on my forehead.
Okay. The giveaway winners, I'm gonna show them in 3, 2, 1. And Jacqueline was in it, but I didn't want to show it in the last clip. The winners are Isaac Rodriguez, Demaria Higgins, and Jacqueline. So I'm gonna post the Instagram picture of when I post this vlog. So see you guys to it. Let's get on to the outro. Oh wait, it didn't work.